In this video, let us learn about some tricks used in trigonometry. If you know these tricks, it will be easier to solve the problems on trigonometry. Okay, you know the six trigonometric ratios. What are they? Sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A. With respect to angle A in right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is 90 degree. Now let us name the sides of the right angle triangle ABC. The longest side AC is hypotenuse, which is also opposite to right angle. The side opposite to angle A is opposite side. If you take angle C as the reference angle, then AB is the opposite side. The side adjacent to angle A is adjacent side, so AB is adjacent side. If you take angle C as reference side, then BC is adjacent side. Okay. Now let us have a quick look on what is sin A, cos A and tan A, which are the important trigonometric ratios. If you remember these three things, we will be successful in solving any problems. Okay, what is sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Let us write just OPP for opposite side, HYP for hypotenuse, ADJ for adjacent side. What is cos A? It is adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is tan A? It is opposite by adjacent side. If you can't remember these things, I will give you a mnemonic known as Sohcahtoa. How do you use it? So, S-O-H. Here S stands for sin A, O for opposite, H for hypotenuse. So, sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Ka. What is ka? See here C stands for cos A for adjacent side, H for hypotenuse. So cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Toa. Here T stands for tan A, O for opposite side, A for adjacent side. Now let us have the reciprocal ratios of sin A, cos A and tan A. What is the reciprocal ratio of sin A? It is cosecant A. So cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Sin A, S-O-H, sin A is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So cosecant A is hypotenuse by opposite side. Reciprocal ratio of cos A is secant A. So secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So secant A is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Reciprocal ratio of tan A is cot A. So cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Toa stands for tan A. Tan A is opposite by adjacent side. So cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite side. If you are not happy with this opposite side, hypotenuse will be there anyhow. Adjacent side, mnemonic Sohcahtoa. I will give another. Hypotenuse will be there, and that is the longest side in the right angle triangle ABC. Here the side which stands upright with respect to angle A is perpendicular. So here AB is base. With the reference to angle C, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. I hope you have understood this concept very well. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Okay, What is the mnemonic here? We have Pbh, isn't it? So Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. Let us retain P for Pandit, B here, P here, H here, B here. Okay. Now let us write here sin A, which is equal to P by H. Cosecant A, H by P in the reverse order. Sin A, P by H. Cosecant A is H by P. Then comes cos A, B by H. Reciprocal ratio of it is secant A, H by B. Then comes tan A, P by B, cot A, B by P. Now let us learn the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. I have given the table. If you remember this table as such, it will be well and good. If you can't, I will have a trick. What is the trick? The specific angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. You have to write like this, and the ratios are sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A. You have to write in this manner and orderly manner also. Then fill all the blocks of the rows in front of sin A with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put a divide mark like this for all the things. Then divided by 4. Then find the square root of 0 by 4. Now only I will solve it. 0 by 4. Square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 4 is 2. 0 by 2 is 0. Here 0. 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 4. What is it? 1 by 2. Square root of 2 by 4. What is it? Square root of 2 by 2. Square root of 2 by 2. Let us write 2 as square root of 2 into square root of 2. Here square root of 2 and square root of 2 get cancels. So this is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Square root of 3 by 4 is square root of 3 by 2. Square root of 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Now let us write the things very neatly. So sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. Now just reverse this one. Order of 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 as 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So cos 90 is 0. Now how can you find tan ratio? You know that tan ratio is equal to sin A by cos A. So the number in this thing divided by this. 0 by 1. What is it? 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancels. So the answer is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. It is 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. It is root 3. 1 by 0. It is not defined. So Now let us have cosecant ratio, which is the reciprocal ratio of sin A. 0 by 1, what it is? Not defined. 1 by 2 divided by 1. It's the reciprocal thing. What is it? 2. 1 by root 2. It is root 2 reciprocal ratio. Root 3 by 2. 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. The reciprocal ratio of cos A is secant A. Cos 0 is 1. So secant 0 is also 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it is now 2 by root 3. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So secant 45 is root 2. Cos 30 is 1 by 2. So secant 60 is 2. Cos 90 is 0. So secant 90 is not defined. Cot is the reciprocal ratio of tan. So cot 0 is not defined. Cot 30 is root 3. Cot 45 is 1. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. Cot 90 is 0. If you are not happy with the table trick of finding trigonometric ratios of some specific angle, here is a best method for you, that is hand trick method for trigonometry. You have to spread your left hand palm up like this and write the ratios from little finger 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Or you can put your palm down like this and write the specific angles like this, starting from thumb 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Which is more convenient for you, you follow that method. How can you find sine ratios here? Sine theta is number of fingers below the specific finger upon 2. For example, now let us find the value of sine 0. Where is 0? This one is 0 degree. Thumb, below the thumb number of fingers is 0. So square root of 0 is 0 upon 2, which is equal to 0. So sine 0 is 0. Now let us find sine 30. Where is 30 degree? This one is 30 degree. Number of fingers below 30 degree finger is 1, that is thumb, upon 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Similarly, you can find sine 60, sine 45, anything. Now let us find the value of sine 45. How many fingers are there below 45? 2. So square root of 2 divided by 2. Split 2 in the denominator as square root of 2 into square root of 2. Cancel these two. So sine 45 is 1 by root. Similarly, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 90 is square root of 4 by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1. Okay, you can also find cosecant ratios by using this formula only. For example, now let us find cosecant 60. Where is 60 degree finger? How many numbers of finger below 60 degree finger? That is 3. So square root of 3 by 2 is the value of sine 60. So cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3, reciprocal of sine ratio. If you want to check, just have the table cosecant ratio 60, that is 2 by root 3. Now let us find the values for cos ratio. Cos theta is equal to square root of number of fingers above upon 2. For example, now let us find cos 0. Where is 0 degree? Thumb is 0 degree. Number of fingers above this one is 4. So square root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So cos 0 is equal to 1. Similarly, you can find the value of cos 30. Number of fingers above this is root 3. Root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Why? Number of fingers above is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Already we have discussed that the value for cos 60 is number of fingers is 1, above the finger is 1, square root of 1 by 2. So the value of cos 60 is half. The reciprocal ratio of cos theta is sin theta. Now let us find the value of secant 60. Number of fingers above 60 degree finger is 1, 1 by 2. So secant 60 is 2. Reciprocal of, okay, you can write it in reverse order also. Anyhow, both the answer are correct. Here we have written 2 in the denominator of cos ratio. In the numerator, square root of number of fingers in denominator. Now let us find the formula for tan ratio. Number of fingers below upon square root of number of fingers below upon square root of number of fingers above. Now let us find the value of tan 60. Where is 60 degree? This one. How many fingers are there below? 3. So you have to put root 3. Number of fingers above 60 degree finger is 1. So tan 60 is root 3 by 1, which is equal to root 3. You can find the ratio of cos 60, which is the reciprocal of tan 60. What is cot 60? 1 by root 3. Here, let us find the value of tan 60. Number of fingers below the 60 degree finger is 3. So root 3. Number of fingers above 60 degree finger is 1. So it is root 3 by 1, root 1, which is equal to root 3. Similarly, you can find the ratio of cot 60. How? Just write reciprocal of tan ratio, which is equal to 1 by root 3. So if you have left hand, palm up or down, and 5 fingers, assign each finger with the specific value from the first finger to the in anti-clockwise direction, you can find any trigonometric ratio, isn't it? For example, let us now find the value of sine 30. Number of fingers below 1, 1 by 2. Sine 90. Number of fingers below is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Now let us find cos 0. Number of fingers above is 4. Square root of 4 by 2, that is equal to 1. Tan 60. Number of fingers below is 3. Square root of 3 by square root of 1, that is equal to square root of 3. If you want to find other reciprocal ratios such as cosecant, secant and cot, you just find these three ratios and find the reciprocal value. It is very easy, isn't it? Now let us recollect all important trigonometric formulae in order to solve some problems. Okay, let us see which are they. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosecant A. Means sin A and cosecant A are reciprocal ratios. Here we can understand that sin A into cosecant A is equal to 1. And cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Cos A is equal to 1 by secant A. Secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. So, cos and secant are reciprocal ratios. Cos A into secant A is equal to 1. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A and cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. So, cot A into tan A is equal to 1 or tan A into cot A is equal to 1. So, tan A and cot A are reciprocal ratios. Tan A is also is equal to sin A by cos A. Cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. Now, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, which are specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We have learned hand trick to find the values of these angles. Okay, now trigonometric identities, which are also known as Pythagorean identities. First one is cos A plus sin square A is equal to 1. The second one is 1 plus tan square A is equal to secant square A. The third one is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. If you learn these identities properly, it will not very difficult to solve the trigonometric problems.